Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with Microsoft Clarity session exports for UI Insights, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin using Microsoft Clarity for backing up session exports, first, ensure you have an active Clarity account. Log in to your Microsoft Clarity dashboard. Navigate to the Sessions tab on the left sidebar. Here, you will see a list of recorded sessions. You can filter sessions by date, page, and other criteria to find specific entries. Select a session you want to export by clicking on it. Once the session details are open, look for the Export button at the top right corner. Click the Export button to start the process. A dialog may appear asking you to confirm the export. Confirm your export request to proceed. After the export is processed, a download link will be generated. Click on the link to download the session data, typically in a CSV format. Save the file to your preferred backup location on your computer. For added security, consider backing up this file to cloud storage or an external hard drive. Repeat these steps for any additional sessions you wish to export. Regularly backing up your session data helps in analyzing user interactions over time. This practice can improve your website's user interface and overall user experience. With these exported insights, you're better equipped to make informed design decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.